Welcome back to Red Seal Reviews. Today we're going to take a look at the Ring floodlight cam. This Ring camera ties into your Ring ecosystem, quote unquote. It's their terminology. This can tie into your existing doorbell cam. You can use it on your own. It bolts in place of your existing floodlight. Very easy. It's supposed to be installed so this part is facing down. That's the only thing you got to do during the install that's special, just so water will drain out of it. Mine's covered so I don't have to worry about it. It works good. The camera's phenomenal. The lights are wickedly bright. There's no question about whether it works good or not. Works perfect. I had a Swan system before, complete garbage, and that's a few $100s. It gives you a month free trial. You can pick it up at Lowe's for $329. Out the door with my contractor discount was $350. That's the only thing I didn't like about it, but I would highly recommend it.